Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're revealing the daily habits that truly separate the rich from the poor. And it's not about your current income. The real difference? It's the small, consistent actions that build wealth over time. Forget luck or inheritance. It's all about your habits and mindset. We'll break down the key habits. See which ones you're already doing. Ready to change your approach to money and success? Let's get started. Most people waste hours every day on entertainment. Imagine if you used just half that time to learn a new skill or start a side hustle. Wealthy people treat their time like gold. They invest it in growth, not mindless consumption. Entertainment should be a reward, not a lifestyle. To change your finances, start by changing how you spend your free time. Use your hours to build your future, not just escape the present. Eating junk isn't just bad for your health, it drains your energy and focus. Wealthy people see healthy food as an investment in their performance. Make your own meals, fuel your ambition, and watch your productivity soar. Treat your body like it matters. Food is fuel for success. Chasing sales often leads to buying things you don't really need and wasting your hard-earned money. The wealthy focus on value, not just price tags or discounts. They invest in quality that lasts, rather than chasing cheap thrills or temporary deals. Ask yourself, is this truly worth it, or is it just on sale? Make every purchase a mindful investment in your future and financial well-being. Hitting snooze sets a tone of mediocrity. High achievers start early, using quiet hours for planning and growth. Your morning routine is your launch pad. Don't waste it. Treat your alarm as the starting gun for success. Blaming others keeps you stuck and powerless. The wealthy practice extreme ownership. They look in the mirror first. Taking responsibility gives you the power to change your outcome. Stop making excuses. Start taking control. Your future is truly in your hands. No emergency fund? You're one crisis away from disaster. The wealthy build a cash cushion first, 3 to 6 months of expenses for peace of mind and options. Make building that safety net your top priority. Stability is the foundation of wealth. Credit cards can build or destroy wealth. It depends on how you use them. The poor use credit to buy what they can't afford. The rich use it strategically. Pay your balance in full, earn rewards, and build your credit score. Use credit as a tool, not a crutch. Make it work for you. Living paycheck to paycheck is financial quicksand. The wealthy spend less than they earn, using budgets to empower themselves. A budget is a plan for your money, not a punishment. Pay yourself first, save and invest before spending on wants. Break the cycle. Take the first step toward financial freedom. Ignoring small problems turns them into big, expensive disasters. Successful people are proactive. They fix issues early. Whether it's a leaky faucet or a business problem, act fast. Face reality head-on and save yourself stress and money. Don't procrastinate. Most people spend more on entertainment than education. The wealthy invest in themselves, books, courses, new skills. Shift your spending from pleasure to growth. Education pays the highest dividends. You are the average of your closest friends. If your circle lacks ambition, it's hard to rise above. The rich surround themselves with people who challenge and inspire them. Spend more time with those who push you forward. Having kids before you're financially ready can derail your goals. Wealthy people plan major life decisions carefully. Build your foundation first, then grow your family from a position of strength. Don't let pressure dictate your timeline. Plan big commitments with intention. Instant gratification keeps you stuck. Delayed gratification builds wealth. The rich sacrifice now for freedom later. Every dollar you invest today builds your future. Do what others won't, so you can live how others can't. Plant seeds now, enjoy the shade later. Hoping someone else will secure your financial future is a losing strategy. The wealthy take ownership. They know their numbers, make a plan, and stay involved. Work with experts, but never hand over full responsibility for your money. No one will ever care more about your money than you do. Don't just hope your way to wealth, plan for it and take action. Waiting for someone else to save you keeps you powerless. The rich have a growth mindset, they create their own luck. They see challenges as chances to learn and grow. Stop waiting for a hero, become your own. Shift from "I can't" to "How can I?" There you have it, 15 habits that shape your financial future. Wealth is built on small, daily choices, not just your paycheck. If you found value, hit like and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge. Comment below with one habit you'll change today. Writing it down is your first commitment. Your future is built one habit at a time. Go build it.